This approach relies on the use of beneficial insects, such as ladybugs, to control pest populations naturally. Additionally, farmers can use cultural practices, such as crop rotation, to help prevent the buildup of pests in the soil. The use of chemical solutions is also an essential component of this approach, as it can help manage pests when other strategies are not enough. The use of chemical solutions in sustainable agriculture is essential to ensure the long-term viability of agriculture. However, it is important to use these solutions responsibly, according to established regulations and guidelines. Additionally, farmers must be mindful of the environmental impact of their agricultural practices and strive to mitigate potential negative effects. It is crucial that farmers understand the impact of their actions when it comes to agriculture. The use of chemical solutions comes with both benefits and risks. Therefore, it is essential to use these solutions in a responsible and sustainable way to achieve the best results. Farmers can reduce the negative impact of agriculture on the environment by adopting sustainable agricultural practices. These practices do not only involve the use of chemical solutions but also other practices such as reducing food waste, conserving water, and using renewable energy sources. Another challenge facing sustainable agriculture is climate change. Climate change has the potential to affect crop yield negatively, and farmers must use innovative practices to mitigate this impact. For instance, the use of drought-tolerant crops, precision agriculture, and the planting of cover crops can help farmers cope with the effects of climate change. Scientists are also developing new techniques, such as gene editing, to create crops that are more resilient to environmental stresses. Finally, it is crucial to empower farmers with knowledge and resources to adopt sustainable agricultural practices. Governments and private organizations can help farmers access information, training, and resources necessary for sustainable agriculture. They can also provide incentives, such as financial support and tax exemptions, to farmers who prioritize sustainable agriculture practices. Sustainable agriculture practices are not only important for the environment but also for human health. Pests and diseases that affect crops may also impact human health if the crops are consumed. The use of chemical solutions in sustainable agriculture can help prevent crop damage and promote healthy crop growth. It is necessary to ensure that chemical solutions used in agriculture do not pose a risk to human health or the environment. The use of chemical solutions must be regulated and monitored to protect public health. Therefore, various regulatory agencies are responsible for the registration, evaluation, and authorization of chemical solutions used in agriculture. For example, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, in the United States is responsible for the registration of pesticides used in agriculture. The EPA reviews and evaluates new and existing pesticides to ensure that they meet safety standards for human health and the environment. Moreover, the World Health Organization, WHO, provides guidelines for the safe use of chemicals in agriculture, including pesticides and fertilizers. The WHO recommends that farmers use integrated pest management practices, which prioritize non-chemical solutions and reduce the use of pesticides. The organization also advises farmers to use protective equipment when handling chemicals and to follow labeling and safety instructions for all chemical solutions.